Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can remove green screen footage in Davinci Resolve. So firstly open up your Davinci Resolve, then import your background, delete the audio, and now let's increase the size of this video. I'll just duplicate it and now bring in the green screen. So as you can see now, this is the green screen that we just brought in. Now what you have to do is then just select the green screen footage over here, then select effect, then in the search box just simply search 3D, then in the search box search 3D, then click on open FX, and over there you will find 3D keyer. So just simply drag and drop the effect onto the clip. Then you will see over here you will find a new panel called effects. Just simply select that. But before making any changes, firstly click on the drop down over here, then choose open FX overlay. Now choose the first dropper over here and click on the green screen, which will remove the green screen, but as you can see it is still not perfect at all. So then click on the dropper with the plus icon and simply draw the lines where the green screen is still spilling, like this, and keep doing this until there is nothing green left. You can also rewind the video if you want to. So right now it's looking much better, but you can make more changes in the options down below. Just simply open all of them, then just simply make the necessary changes that you like. So now let me refine the green screen over here. So after making all the tweaks, this is our final result. So let me just simply show you. Looks pretty real, right? So it looks pretty real, right? So now let me put it somewhere a little bit more realistic. So this is the final result after removing the green screen. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.